What's up, guys? It's cold. We're in Ohio. It is 25 degrees. It says sunny, but it's still 25 degrees. But I think what we're going to do today is we're going to get the black truck out of here. My little tiny one-car garage that needs love. And we're going to dig that LS right there, 5.3. We're going to dig it out of the corner and we're going to start tearing it down. I've been debating on putting it in this truck. This has got a 388 small block Gen 1 4-volt deal, and I just think it's time to, either it's carbureted or fuel injected, it's time to put the LS in it. So we're gonna dig it out and put the truck in the trailer and get some room in here. We got it dug out of the corner. It's literally just like it came out of the truck. It's full, complete. Probably still has oil in it. I've had it for a year or two. And now we're gonna decide to see if it's actually any good. So we'll start tearing it down and see what everything looks like. We got the harness off of it. There's a lot of wire. And it's kind of heavy. We're gonna throw this over here, out of the way. Motor already looks half cleaned up with all the wiring on it. Obviously, we know it needs that to work, but well, we're gonna keep at it and try to get this thing tore down a little ways and go from there. Oh my goodness, this thing is nasty. Look at the lack there of, looks like oil changes that happened with this thing. We got the heads off, and honestly the bores don't look too bad. We'll get a light here in a little bit and check them out, but I think all the lifters for the most part are free. Get in there. For the most part we'll be all right. They're not like stuck. They kind of got a burr or something at the top. Not terrible. No idea how many miles are on this thing when I got it. Okay, so I have never actually seen this. There is so much sludge in that pan. I've never seen that in real life. It's rough. But it did have oil in it, so that's a bonus. supposed to be my kind of tuning mule. Not have a ton of money in it and learn the Haltech system. I just didn't want to have a real good build and then kind of be worried about blowing it up. I mean, I still don't want to blow it up, but it'd be a little easier for me to learn and not be as scared, I guess. Otherwise, I'd be trying to have somebody else tune it, and that's no fun either, because then if it does blow up, you kind of want to blame them, because you don't know what actually happened or what was done in the tune-up. So, if you're the only one playing, it's your fault when it blows up, and I can accept that. More nastiness. That thing is disgusting. It'd be kind of fun getting that back cover off, being on the engine stand. But, oh, we can do that one way or another. There you go. Probably the wrong way to do it, but we're going to try it. It worked. Right or wrong. Don't judge. Bearings look really good. The crank looks like it's got a few little marks in it, but until I get it cleaned up real well, I'll be able to tell if they're just wear marks or if they're actually scratches or deeper than what we want to try to run. Like I said, this is kind of a super budget deal, but we're going to try to do it right, if that makes any sense. But basically, we're just trying to have fun with this one. So it always starts as, and then it seems like I always spend 3 times more money trying to have fun than actually just building something decent. So. pretty much it. Besides pulling some of the sensors and stuff out.